Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nkemo Kazaka, and in this video I'll be sharing with you 8 things you need to know before importing that hair from ALIBABA.com. So stay tuned guys, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to help the channel to grow. So let's go. The first thing you need to know is the grade of hair. What kind of hair do you want to import? Like, what grade of hair? Hair are into different grades. We have the 6 hair, 7 hair, 10 hair, 12 hair. So the higher the grade, the more quality the hair is. So you need to know what grade of hair you want to import, and there are some vendors that don't grade their hair like that. Some grade it according to synthetic, human hair blend. So you need to know what kind of hair you are going you want to get, so that once your supplier asks you a question, you'll be able to reply like an expert. You're able to know what you want to get, the kind of hair you want to get from that vendor. Another thing you need to know is the hair length. The longer the hair, the more expensive the hair is. The longer the hair, the more expensive the hair is. So you don't expect to get a 16 inches hair same price as 13 inches. 30 inches hair is not possible. So the longer the hair, the expensive the hair is. Also, you have to know that coily hair are way shorter than straight hair. 18 inches coily hair, it's not the same length with 18 inches straight hair. The difference will be like maybe about 2 inches or so. So always have that in mind, that coily hair are way shorter than the long hair. You have to know the type of hair you want to get from the vendor. There are different types of hair. Are you going for a straight hair, or a coily hair, or a mini coily hair, or a jerry coil, or a kinky? There are different types of hair. There's deep wave, there's so there are various types of hair. So you have to know the types of hair you are going for. The price tag on the website, it is not the same price of the hair. I don't know why they do that, but always ask the supplier to send you the price list of the hair. Let's say you see the hair on the website, you message them, and you will kindly send me the price list, or if you want their catalog, kindly send me the catalog of the hairs you have. So you can either ask them for the price, or you can tell them to send the catalog of the hair in general they have, so you can go through their catalog and pick the hair you want to order. Message as many vendors as possible. For example, let's say I'm going for a 30 inches straight hair. I already know the hair I want to go for, and it's woman hair. If it's woman hair, if it's synthetic, if it's hair blend, I already know the hair I want to go for. So this is what I will send to each and every supplier. How much your price list for 30 inches straight woman hair. So a message has many vendors as possible to get the best rate. On ALIBABA.com, they are manufacturing company and they are also trading company. So try as much as possible to buy from the manufacturer direct rather than buying from the trading companies. On the profile there, once you go to the profile, you will see the trading company or manufacturing company. It will save you some cost. In my previous video, I made mention of not buying from vendor that are less than 3 years on ALIBABA.com. I'll link the video somewhere around there or in the description. But for me, for hair vendors, 2 years is considerate. For me, 2 years is considerate, because I feel that hair people buy hairs often, so they must have experience exporting to other country, unlike buying from a 1 year supplier. I did a video on that. I shared my experience buying from a 1 year supplier, and Alibaba refunded me the money. So I will also drop the link in the description below, and you try as much as possible to watch the video. So for me, for hair vendors, you can purchase from a 2-year vendor on Alibaba. A lot of people don't know that shipping within China is negotiable. So if you have an agent in China and you want to ship the hair from the supplier down to your shipping agent, the shipping fee, it is negotiable on Alibaba.com. And most of the time, vendors give free shipping. Yes, they do give free shipping within China. That's why you need to know how to import yourself without an agent, because some of these agents, they know these tips. So they will negotiate and keep them after collecting the money from you. They will negotiate and keep the money to themselves. You need to know the location of your vendor. So it's sometimes some vendors or some sales rep might put the better side is it's negotiable. So they might add price to the shipping fee within China. So you have to know what you're dealing with. If it's within the same location with your agents, the shipping fee should not be more than $3, $2, $3. That's it, and some give free. If it's outside your agent's location, the highest maybe like $8, not $10. So I've experienced it before. I had to like, what is that? I had to tell the vendor like, this is not it. This is not the first time I'm importing within this location, and I've never imported, and they've never charged me $8 within same location. So she was like, okay. I said, this is the amount. The highest they charged me is $4. She was like, no, this that she needs to charge me $5. I was like, no, it's $4. They've never charged me $5 outside this location. So we shall like be able to come to the conclusion. Then I was able to give her $5. So assuming I have no idea, that's how she will have charged me $8 within the same location. So you need to be aware of what you want to do before jumping into it. Not just air importation, whatever place you're importing from or whatever place you're getting your goods from, you need to know some things before jumping into it. If you want to learn more about this Alibaba.com importation, I have a playlist. I'll link it in the description below to check out that video to help you in sourcing the right product, getting the best supplier, how you can pay your supplier, and how also I got a refund from Alibaba.com. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.